going to show you the Batcave. This is the thing with 4 windows, and you can see inside. I don't have to take this thing hole off. This is where they're gonna make the Bat car. I don't have one. The big ones I can't take, but I can take small ones. And I can put my hand in here, and also this can be worked as a window, like something like there. The window. This is a window you can see through of, like if you're standing on the top of a hill, you're seeing on the top of a river. And I have a little Batman here. And inside, I will gladly take the top off. It's there. You may see inside. It ain't much, but I call it the work in progress. And this window, it's actually pretty good. I actually got this from the Tony Stark thing, which is from, when you have the Iron Man thing. Yeah, you can have this to make it. And, the bat symbol. I hope you like this, and I hope you enjoy it.